Hello everyone and welcome back to our new video. So let's say sometimes you want to hear a song the way the artist intended, so unfiltered, fully explicit, the real version, not the radio one. Maybe you have had the explicit filter on for family listening, but now it's just you in the car or just you in the room and you are totally ready for the real deal. Or perhaps you notice some of your favorite tracks are kind of missing and you suspect the filter is just playing. So whatever the reason is, turning off the explicit filter on Amazon Music is just super easy. So in today's small tutorial, we're gonna go through it step by step, fast and easy as usual. Let's get started. So I will try and start with the people who use the Amazon app or the Amazon Music app. So go ahead, open it on your phone, iPhone, tablet, whatsoever, then go through the settings or gear icon. You will usually find it in the bottom right corner or under your profile in the top left. You can then scroll down to the playback or content restrictions section. Then look for the setting labeled explicit content or allow explicit content. So for me on this web page, I can easily access it from my profile and look for block explicit content or allow explicit content. For you guys who are using the app, you can easily access it through the menu from settings. So it's basically super easy. So the key part is to turn the filter off. You want to enable the toggle if the setting says allow explicit content, flip it to on or the blue section. If it says explicit filter, flip it to off or the gray color, and that's it. So thank you all for watching. I'll see you all in the next video.